Hi guys, it's Stacy Barnett and welcome to my workshop, Building Nosework Skills, the Inaccessible Hide Due to Elevation. So let's start out with reading elevated odor. Now there's really three aspects to that. There's searching with a head high, there's exploratory pop-ups, and there's head sweeps. Here he is. You see it? See how he's starting to sweep the side of the wall right there, right? So you have kind of that windshield wiper movement, right?
Alert! Yes. Good boy.
Mark when the dog's nose is on source. So what we don't want to see is the dog go up, touch the tin, come back and look at the handler, and then you say yes. Right? That's what we don't want. Then what you want to do is you want to move out of the corners, but keep the hide accessible. Now I do start elevation early. I start it when they're puppies, right? Prioritize confidence and motivation. It's okay to abort the hide. All right, to abort the search. It's okay to stop the search. Just do it cheerfully.